video tutorial is for our virtual field trips. And these resources are great because they're a fun way to engage even really young students, and they're also a great way to target many different goal areas within a single resource. So some of those skills that you could work on with these would be labeling, imitating, describing, vocabulary, sentence structure, asking and answering WH questions, sequencing, and I'm sure you will come up with many more ideas as well. So let's go ahead and click on one of these just so you can get a sense of what they look like and how they work. Let's look at the farm virtual field trip. So you'll see that it starts off with a welcome slide, and then to navigate to the other slides in the resource, you could use this arrow button here at the bottom right, or you also could click through the different slides using these tabs here at the bottom of the resource. And on slide 3, you'll see that there's a menu that has different options for all of the different animals that students could visit as part of this resource. And here you could have students start to practice requesting, or they could imitate the noises that are made by the animal they want to see, or they could simply name or describe the animal they want to see. You have a lot of options here. So you'll just click on the animal that the student selects, and then you can click play here to start a short video of the animal. And some of these will have sound to go with them, and some of them won't. It will depend on what's happening in the video. So let's go ahead and go back and check out one more of the field trips that might be interesting for older students especially. Maybe they would like to go to the aquarium. And so it's a very similar setup. You would just go to the menu page and have the student select what they would like to see, and then click and take the student there so they can see a shark or a jellyfish or whatever else is going on in this resource. And then for these older students, you may want to work on comparing and contrasting. So for example, maybe with 2 different field trips that both feature animals, like the zoo and the farm animals, they could work on plurals and other grammatical concepts. They could do categories, sequencing. You could even work on narrative by having students make up stories about what they see on the field trip. And something else that I love about these is that it allows us to show students experiences and places that they might not necessarily get to see in real life. So it really helps to broaden their world, which is always really exciting. They're also great for mixed groups because, again, you can target multiple goals with a single resource, so that makes your planning really easy. And I hope that you enjoy virtual field trips.